everybody call for peaceful protest. Peaceful protest now don dey turn to war.
With Lady T.
Hi everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel, True Dreams with Lady T. Is your sister, your friend, is your girl. If this is your first time you just did get post for YouTube or you dey watch, you never subscribe, please consider to hit that red button, click on the notification bell so you will know anytime I post video here. Thank you so much for coming around again and God bless you. So today's story we want to talk about Sister Ada Amen. This lady you want to see for years. So for people who don't know this lady now, she be actress. So she cry, come out, come to say she lost her daughter. She's really in pains now. You don't say when she dey heart they come. She dey always dey heart funny parts. And she dey always dey make people laugh. I dey watch her. The film when be say she don't heart, when be say I really like her well. That be that Iran and Iraq, when she had that movie with some actors and actresses, and especially that movie. Now there, if you guys they always they hear and they talk Papa Yoyo. Now her mouth I forget that Papa Yoyo, because during that time when she take out that movie, she can't they call Chinweta Agu Papa Yoyo. Now they have to pick that Papa Yoyo. You know, she's so funny. And many people like her, and you don't tell when she dey inside this movie industry. She be single mom and she get one daughter and her only child when she get with that. So she just can't talk, say she lost her child. She never really talk wetin happen to her. She never explain, but she's still in pains now because it's not easy for somebody to lose the only eye when you get. The post when she drop, she say, "Fans, my lovely people, pray for me. My beautiful darling child choose to go and be with the Lord early hours today." Now today she dropped this post, and when I see this post, I just decide for my mind, say, oh my God, not again. You know, when someone never lost somebody so close to the person, you know, they know the pains of losing someone. Even some mothers, when they lost their children, not only that pikin they get other children. Their head, their brain, their body, they know that they're okay. How much more person will get one eye? My people, more reason now. The only child when she gets, and a grown-up lady at that, we don't know what will happen, but no matter what will happen, person when it don't go be that. I just pray that her soul will rest in the bosom of thy Lord. Amen. And I also pray that Sister Ada will have the heart, God should give her the heart to bear this great loss, because this is a great loss, my people. Please, if you watch this video, I just want you to pray, because she don't already say pray for me. Please pray for her. Send words of encouragement to her. Please, I beg you. Not only God know the kind of pains when this woman they pass through at this time. Not only God will express her. We human beings, we not go understand. When someone lose somebody so dear, oh my God. Don't be waiting person they pray put. Oh, my sister, I pray for you that God will take control. Please, my people, say words of encouragement to her. If you guys can remember, I think a few years ago, Yukeriano Obi, she lost her only son too. But though whether she don't already be pastor before she lost her son, or now after she lost her son she can't be pastor, I don't feel remember again. But I believe that she can't be very close to God after she lost her son. If you even watch the way she did dress, you will not say this person. born again don enter her blood. She be pastor now. Na so the same thing that she feel. So I don't know sometimes why God dey allow all these things dey happen. Only one eye when that person gets, how the person go feel at this time. Nowhere settle, house not settle, outside not settle. Okay, imagine now this woman dey into this pain, say she don lose the holy pikin wey she get. If you open window, na kpaka kpoko fight. Or if na only the videos when they just dey send come, person head dey big. How person wan go about this? We all call for peaceful protest. Peaceful protest now don turn to another thing. Peaceful protest don turn to war in our country. Our government don turn peaceful protest to another thing. How are we going to cope with all these things? Our people back home are suffering. They are really suffering. Just peaceful protest when other country they do. Our government turn our own to another thing. Because the videos when they send, they can't be big jeep when they carry some group of people, group of boys when they make gaga. Where all those people from come? Who they sponsor all these things? Who they put all those things for there? Who they plant those people there? There are so many things that we need to know about our country. We never ever talk about what we they face individual for inside our body. Everybody get what they face for inside body, inside family. We never ever talk about that one. Country, you will consider join. When we say your house dey hot, you say okay, make I still come outside, make I go take fresh air. You go outside now. No, that war you dey go jam again. How long are we going to continue like this? How long? Please, my people, pray for our country, Nigeria. Please, pray for peace to reign. I don't know what to say again. I wish YouTube go allow all these videos. So, I'm fear not even they let me open the videos again. Because the ones where they open, I know they feel sleep. If I carry food, say okay, make I just eat. Make I just play this video. I open video, I don't feel eat again. Fear not they let me open any video now. Because what you go see? Now what you never ever see since when they born you. Now so the video they pump, they come. Oh my God, please my people, pray for our country. Pray for Nigeria. Pray for the world. I beg you, my people. Now this message, now I come here and come drop. Because this woman, Sister Ada, now somebody, without being told, if you watch her movies, you will know now somebody when they lively. You understand? She even come out make a video of recent to complain about light. We need light. Give us light. Oh, please don't forget to say words of prayer to this our sister Ada Amen, and to pray for our country, Nigeria, and also pray for yourself. I would like to stop this video here. Thank you so much for watching. Please drop a words of prayer down here, and you can also leave your opinion. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. I remain your sister, your friend, your girl, your pikin. Anyone you call me, I did there for you through dreams, bright life with Lady T. Please, as you watch this video, share this video to all your social media network. We are not just here to say a story. We are here to say a story that will change life. By sharing this video, you can help in changing life. Thank you so much, my people, and God bless you. See you on our next video. Ciao.
If there is anything that is bothering you, my friend, please say it so others will learn. Bring it to True Dreams with Lady T. and God will be your strength. Bring into true dreams with levity, and God will see